What is philosophy? What is the difference between a claim and a belief? Can you make a reasoned argument for a position you hold about a specific topic? Does your argument have good support based on well-defined premises, or have you fallen into the trap of a fallacy? The language we use to explain a belief, claim, or our knowledge is full of terms that are important to define. Otherwise, we can find ourselves lost in a forest of ideas without a flare to signal where each of us is at, thus depending on chance to find one another. To start us off, the etymology of the word or meaning of the word philosophy is love for knowledge. Plato said, "Philosophy begins in wonder. Wondering who I am, why we are here, who made God, or even the thoughts we have in the shower. Like, if I get out of the shower clean, why does my towel get dirty?" So from lofty questions to silly ones, a reasoned thought process helps us to make sense of day-to-day life and even things like our view of a higher power. Speaking of, why does the Bible say, "See to it that no one takes you captive by philosophy and empty deceit, according to human tradition, according to the elemental spirits of the world, and not according to Christ"? What does that mean? Well, it's questions and parts of the Bible like this that we're going to get into. So I look forward to exploring it together, and I'll see you guys again soon.